Today, we're gonna be putting a rooftop deck on this van. And now this process actually started a few days ago with some staining. Side is done. Still got to do the other side and cut a hole for the thingy, but yeah, this is looking good. It's gonna be cool. All right, so now that this is complete, let me show you around. All right, woohoo, up here, this is so cool. Oh yeah. All right, so what I ended up doing is this is 9 feet long by about 58 inches wide, and well, my math is showing. And these are like 1 3/4 pressure treated deck wood boards. And yeah, so I pre-stained those, and then I got some basic 2x2s underneath to run along and across with the roof rack itself. I've also got these 2.25 or almost 3.25 inch wide U-bolts or U-brackets or whatever you want to call them, and I put 4 at each one of the roof rack runners. So hopefully this thing doesn't go anywhere. And obviously I cut a hole out for my roof fan that doesn't exist.
Wait a minute!
My roof fan that, well, doesn't work, but yeah. And obviously enough room for the solar panels to still get sun. And obviously the piece de resistance on the top, if you can see me. These are some signs that I found in my parents' garage. And I ended up bending those, and it's kind of acting as the wind diffuser for right now. I'll probably add one to that side and one to that side as well. Yeah, but I think it looks absolutely hilarious and pretty darn good. So other than that, I'm gonna get down from here. Wow, you really are high up here. Now, as I've prefaced this before, I'm not a professional. I don't do this, and this is, I guess, take it with a grain of salt. Take some notes on what you should and should not do. Honestly, I think it turned out really well. I don't know how well it's going to hold if you're going on the highway for a long time, but to be honest, the thing is pretty solid. And if I can keep wind from going a lot underneath, then we should be good. I mean, with those boards spaced about 1/2 inch apart, it should let plenty of air through so it can escape, so it's not a solid piece. But we'll see. I may put some bins up there. Still got to do a bicycle rack mount thingy up there. But overall, in about 2 days work and several trips to Home Depot, I spent probably close to $300 on everything. That's including the stain, that's including all of the pressure treated wood, that's including all the mounts, and that's including 2 more roof rack bars. I mean, it's pretty much anything and everything that you need for this. So I guess it's really gonna stand the test of time to see how this thing holds up. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, or you guys got any questions, or if I can do anything else to secure this thing to the roof, please let me know in the comments down below. And we're really wrapping this project up. A few more things, and it's gonna be camping season, it's gonna be track season. We're gonna get to use this thing, and I'm excited about that. So stay tuned for more, and remember, keep riding.